Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up for a Tim Hortons. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. And we will open up our Tim Hortons app. We're gonna allow all the permissions it asks for, and you can see once we have done it, we can see this option called create an account and log in. We're gonna tap on it. We're gonna enter our email address. We're gonna tap on this next option. We're gonna enter our first name, last name. We will enter our phone number. You can go ahead, choose our code first. We will enter our phone number, again confirm our email, and then we'll tap on this send OTP. After we enter our birthday, gender, send OTP option. Once we will get that OTP on our email address, where we're gonna confirm our email address, and then we're gonna enter our birthday, we're gonna enter our gender, password, we're gonna confirm our password. If you have a referral code, somebody referred to this app, you got reference from somewhere, you can add the code, tap on confirm, and boom, you will be able to create yourself an account. Simply can sign up for Tim Hortons right there in your mobile. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.